Are you a student looking to save time and stay ahead in your studies, but struggling to keep up with the increasing demands of AI tools and software? You're not alone. According to a recent survey, 70% of students feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI tools available, and 60% admit to spending more than 5 hours per week searching for the right tools. But what if I told you there are some game-changing AI tools that are completely free and can save you hours of time? Let's take a closer look at the best free AI tools for students in 2026. I'll walk you through each tool step by step so you can see exactly how to use them and start saving time today. First up, we have Google's free AI tool, AutoML. AutoML stands for Automated Machine Learning, and it's exactly what it sounds like, a tool that automates the machine learning process for you. With AutoML, you can train complex machine learning models in just a few clicks without needing to write a single line of code. Let me show you how it works.